RSO, or Rick Simpson Oil, is a type of medical cannabis oil that is known for its potent medicinal properties. It is named after Rick Simpson, who discovered the benefits of the oil while treating his own skin cancer. The oil is made by extracting the THC and other cannabinoids from cannabis plants using a solvent, such as ethanol or isopropyl alcohol. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to make RSO oil. Gather your materials. You will need a large amount of cannabis buds or trim, a solvent, such as ethanol or isopropyl alcohol, a large glass or stainless steel container, a coffee filter, a stirring stick, and a storage container. Decarboxylated cannabis. Before making the oil, you need to activate the THC and other cannabinoids by heating the cannabis. Spread the cannabis on a baking sheet and bake it in an oven at 240 degrees Fahrenheit for about an hour. This process is known as decarboxylation. Extract the THC and cannabinoids. Add the decarboxylated cannabis to a large glass or stainless steel container and cover it with the solvent. Stir the mixture for about 3 minutes to extract the THC and other cannabinoids. Filter the solvent. Use a coffee filter to strain the solvent from the cannabis. This will remove any plant material and impurities from the mixture. Evaporate the solvent. Place the container in a warm, well-ventilated area and allow the solvent to evaporate. This can take several hours to a full day. Store the oil. Once the solvent has completely evaporated, you will be left with a potent dark-colored oil. Store the oil in a small glass container with a tight-fitting lid. It's important to note that making RSO oil at home can be dangerous, as solvents are flammable and can cause serious injuries if not handled properly. Also, please check if the use of marijuana and its derivatives is legal in your area and that you are following all the regulations. In addition, RSO oil is typically taken in small doses, such as a grain of rice, as it is very potent. It is also important to start with a low dose and gradually increase as needed, as the effects of the oil can vary from person to person.